for you to give me my permission slip. So there you go.
Come on. Come on! Come on!
Yes. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Yes, dude.
Come on!
Yes, Adrian.
Come on.
Come on. Come on. Figure it out. Good work, bro. Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah!
Oh!
Nice.
Oh, come on, slide me off.
Yes!
Yeah, dude.
So smooth.
Nice.
Get that foot up now.
Yes, Chad. Come on. Come on. Get it, get it, get it. Yes, come on. Come on, you got this. Get that foot on there. You got it. Come on.
Fuck!
Oh. We want to show off.
You probably need shorts with like holes in them.
Well, he's got a hole in the front.
Come on! Yeah, come on!
Dude, come on. Come on.
Come on, Adrian, come on.
There it is. Come on. Yes! Come on, buddy. You've got this, man. Come on.
No!
Yes!
Come on.
You got this, Chad.
Nice. Yes, come on. Yes.
Come on, Chad.
Lock it in, Chad. Lock it in. You got this, man.
Fuck! Oh, that hurts so bad, dude.
Yeah, man. Yeah, dude.
Come on!
Yes. Nice, Adrian. Sick.
Come on!
Come on. Come on. You know it. You know this. Baller. Come on. Come on.
Yeah, come on, Adrian, come on!
Woo!
Top this shit out.
Nice, man.
Doesn't even hurt my fingers anymore. They feel fine. What's good? It's like, why don't they hurt? By all means, they should hurt.